Hi students. Now in the second exercise we'll learn about the six trigonometric ratios with some specific angles. Specific angles like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. I'll explain you and we'll learn a table. We'll remember a table and we remember table in a shortcut way also. I'll tell you that also. After that we can go to the exercise 8.2. But before going to that, I just want to explain you what happens for these angles. Why these angle values are like this. First let us go with 0 and 90. I'll explain you 0 and 90. For sine, I'll explain you for sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and the reciprocals of these three. The order is, if you write in an order, it will be good for you. Cosecant theta, because cosecant is reciprocal of sine, and secant theta is reciprocal of cos, cot theta. First of all, for 0 and 90, how to prove? I'll just take, it is not required actually how we get this, but I'll tell you. Okay? Say if I take theta here, if it is A, B, C, like this. Okay. What is sine theta? BC by AC. Cos theta? AB by AC. Okay. Now, I am going to explain you about 0 degrees. 0 degrees, and after that we go with 90 degrees. What happens if it becomes 90? Just the reciprocal of that. See, when sine theta, when theta is 0, when theta is 0, if this is 0, what happens? It will come close. That means this will come, there will be no angle, so AB will become AC. Right, agree? AB will become AC. I write here, when theta is 0, there will be no angle, so AB will be equal to AC, and what happens? BC will be equal to 0. Agree? BC will be 0. Simple over problem. So sin theta is equal to BC by AC. So 0 by AC, 0 by anything is 0. So sin 0 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. What about cos 0? I told you, when theta becomes 0, AC becomes AC, AC becomes AB, AC, AB. Both will be same because it will fall here. It will fall here. So both will get cancelled. So it becomes cos 0 is equal to 1. So cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is equal to 0. The same thing happens for 90. 90. How? I'll tell you. Say when theta becomes 90, what happens? It will move on like this. It will move on like this. Okay. So AC and AB. So what happens now? Or otherwise we do like this. When it becomes 90, it will go like this. It will go like this. Then AC becomes BC. Agree? AC becomes BC. AC becomes BC. When theta is 90, because it is 90 here. So when these two are same, it will go like this. It will go like this. So AC becomes BC. So what is sin theta? Sin 90, opposite side. So opposite side BC by AB. Very sorry. 1 minute. It is AC. BC, BC, AC. So when theta is 90, it will go to BC. So BC and AC become same. It becomes 1. So sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. Sin 90 is 1. When cos 90, what about cos 90? Cos 90 is adjacent. Adjacent is AB. AB by AC. See, when this hypotenuse is close to this, there will be no side AB. See, when it close to BC, there will be no side. AB becomes 0. This AB becomes 0, so it becomes 0 by AC. So it becomes cos 90 is 0. Like that you can take the values of zeros and 90. So sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0. What about 30, 45, 60? 30, 45, 60. I'll tell you. For 45 degrees, to get a 45 degrees, I take a right angle isosceles triangle. Why right angle isosceles only? I'll tell you. Because we need 45. When it is 90, when it is isosceles, then only these two become 45. So when it is isosceles, it is A, it is A. What about this side? According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is AB square plus BC square, A square plus A square, 2A square. So AC become root of 2A square, it become root 2A, root 2A. Okay. Suppose if you can take anywhere now. What is sine 45 value? If I take 45 here, opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite? A by root 2A. A gets cancelled, so it is 1 by root 2. So even if you take cos 45 adjacent by hypotenuse, you can take anywhere. If I take 45 here, adjacent is this A by root 2A. These two gets cancelled, becomes 1 by root 2. So 45s are also over. So what are over? Sin 0, cos 0, sin 90, cos 90, and sin 45, cos 45 are also over. What are left? 60 and 30. 60 and 30 are left. Okay. For 60 and 30, I take an equilateral triangle. Let us take an equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all the angles are 60. So when I take a bisector, a perpendicular bisector which is 90, we take A. It will meet exactly at midpoint, A by 2, A by 2. Okay. Now it is 60 degrees. This is 90. If these two are 90 plus 60, 150, this will be obviously 30. So if I take sin 30 from this right triangle, what will be sin 30? Opposite side by hypotenuse. It becomes A by 2 by A. You can write, you can cancel these two, it becomes, or otherwise you can write A by 2 into 1 by A. Divided by A by 1 become 1 by A, it becomes 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, but let us find out this attitude AD also using Pythagoras theorem. How? This is A by 2 and this is A. Let us find out this. AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So A square is equal to AD square plus A square by 4. So AD square is A square minus A square by 4. 3A square by 4. AD will be equal to root 3A by 2, square root of this. So root 3A by 2. Now if I need cos 30, what is cos 30? Adjacent to 30. Adjacent side, root 3A by 2 by hypotenuse A. You can cancel these two, so the value is root 3 by 2. Now, what is sin 60? Sin 60, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite to whom? Opposite to 60. Root 3A by 2 by hypotenuse is A. You can cancel these two. It is root 3 by 2. And cos 60, adjacent side by hypotenuse, A by 2 by A, it becomes 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. So like this you can find out the first two. If you find out the first two, the rest are very simple. You can easily do it. How? So we know tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Sin by cos. So 0 by 1, 0. And sin 30 is also this by this. Just first row divided by second row. 2 get cancelled is 1 by root 3. This becomes 1. This becomes root 3. Now 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined value. Now the last 3 will be just the reciprocals of the other 3. So sin theta reciprocal is cosecant. So it becomes 1 by 0. Undefined. It becomes 2. Root 2. 2 by root 3. 1. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1 is 1. 2 by root 3. Root 2. 2. Undefined. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan. 1 by 0. Undefined. Root 3. 1. 1 by root 3. 1 by undefined is 0. Like that you can find out the table. I want everyone to by heart the table. See, in exam, you should not go back and you should not see the values for the table. You should remember, like if I ask sin 60, you should tell like root 3 by 2. Cos 30, cos root 3 by 2. Secant 30, secant 2 by root 3. Like that you should tell. Okay? You should by heart in such a way. Understand? Now let us go to the exercise with this table. Actually the proofs are not required, guys. You just learn the table but proofs are also important for your knowledge purpose. Okay, let us start the exercise 8.2. Exercise 8.2, first one, sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So values, I remember the values, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 4 by 4, this is 1. Second one, 2 tan square 45 cos square 30 minus sine square 60. 2 into tan 45 is 1, 1 square, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square, sine 60 also root 3 by 2 whole square. You can cancel these two, it becomes 2. Third one, cos 45 by secant 30 plus cosecant 30. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, cosecant 30 is 2 by 1. Just leave it like that, no need to simplify, just put the values there, that's it. Now, fourth one, sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Just substitute the values, 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. I know this value, that's what I am writing very fast. You have to by heart this, okay? That's it. Cot 45 is 1. Now, fifth one, 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. So 5 into 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4. 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square, 4 by 3. Tan square 1 is 1. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 because root 3 by 2 whole square. So denominator becomes 1. You can leave like that. If you want, you can still simplify, or you can leave like that. Okay? These are just to remember the values. In the second one, first 2 tan 30, it is given multiple choice, 1 plus tan square 30. You have to do complete problem. 2 into 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3 whole square. It becomes 2 by root 3, 1 plus 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3. You can write 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. 2 gets cancelled this, and the answer is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 value where you get in the given options. It is sine 60. It is sine 60. Second one, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. That is equal to 1 minus 1 square, 1 plus 1 square is 0. 0, it is given directly. Now, third one, sine 2a is 2 sine a is true for which angle? Is 2 sine which angle? Let us check. Let us check with the values when a is equal to 0. LHS becomes sine 0 equal to 0. RHS 2 sine 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So it is true for angle 0. Fourth one, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. I do here 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 by 2 by root 3 by 2 by 3. It becomes 3 by root 3. It becomes root 3. Root 3 value is nothing but tan 60. It is tan 60, the fourth option. Okay? Sorry, it is the third option. See the third problem. They given like this. tan a plus b is root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by root 3 and 0 less than a plus b less than 90, it is acute angle, and a is greater than b, it is given clearly. Find a and b. Simple. We take tan a plus b in root 3 means we just write root 3 also in terms of tan, it comes in tan 60 degrees. So you can easily say that a plus b is 60. In the same way, tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. So you can write 1 by root 3 as a tan 30 degrees. You can say easily that a minus b is 30 degrees. So let us solve using pair of linear equations concept. A plus b is 60, a minus b is 30. Just add them, 2a is 90. A is 90 by 2, it is 45 degrees. When a is 45, we know a plus b is 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. B is equal to 15 degrees. Like that you can find out the angle. Right? See, in the fourth also true or false they are there. So first one, sin a plus b. Is sin a plus b equal to sin a plus sin b? Let us check with some values. Shall we check for a equal to 60 and b equal to 30? So what happens to LHS? Sin 60 plus 30 sin 90, it is 1. What is RHS? Sin 60 plus sin 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, which is not equal. So it is not equal. So first one is false. Second one, the value of sin theta increases as theta increases. It is true. If you see the table, from 0 to 90 degrees, if you take, it goes from 0 to 1. It increases. It is true. Third one, the value of cos theta increases as theta. No, it is false. Cos theta will be decreasing from 0 degrees to, it starts from 1, it ends with 0. So third one is false. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta, which is false. It won't be. It is equal only when theta is 45 degrees, if you see the table. Now cot A is not defined for 0 degrees. Yes, because tan A is 0, so cot A will not be defined for 0 degrees. This is for exercise 8.2. All the best, guys.